Yeah. So just let me know once if you it is visible to you, my screen.
Mhm.
Is it visible to you?
Can you tell me what's on your screen right now, sir?
It is Notepad.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, no,
Hmm.
it's a bit slow than
Yeah.
the usual. It's still
So tomorrow.
it's still on the
So
desktop.
yes, yes. So so before learning this 100 course, so we should know some basic concepts of Java. So
Sure,
how much you rank in Java? So out of 10.
it's pretty much. I'm in the very much in the beginning, so I think I'll be
Mhm.
either zero or a one.
Okay, so
I'm
so just
I think I'll be done with core Java. Sure, sure.
okay, just tell me how many concepts you know, like how much you know about Java. Just simply don't
Yeah,
tell me in
take it
detail.
as
Just, yeah.
not take it as I don't know anything because even
Mm,
the other student who we are taking class with, he doesn't know anything.
okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think
So
we should go on Java from the beginning.
uh-huh. But so that's what actually, if you want to learn the Android, so you should know the Java
Hmm.
also. Mm-hmm.
Sure. I think
So yeah.
we can start with the Java training and in the on parallel we'll be learning. Sorry, we can start with the Android training and we can on the parallel we'll be learning Java.
You want to both?
No, I can learn Java by myself. I just want the Android training.
Okay, yeah.
I'll manage with Java by myself.
Okay, okay, no
Just tell
problem.
me what are the concepts that are required so that I can go on
Yeah,
with Java. That's
yeah,
it.
okay. Because if you know Java, it is very, very simple to understand the Android.
Sure,
So,
sure.
okay. So today's this is a demo class. So I'm going to explain you. So what is Android? So how it is easy to develop,
Okay.
and so how it will be. So I will give you some brief introduction. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So first of all, my question is what is Android?
Mm-hmm.
So you know what is Android? Do you know anything?
Uh, Android is one of the operating system that works both on cell phones and tablets.
Yes, yes. This is a mobile operating system.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So we'll go one point by point. Like, so what is the operating system? So why I'm asking you because we have to interact. So then you can understand in deeply. So that's why
Yeah,
I'm
sure.
asking. Don't take it as in other way.
That's all
Yeah.
right.
If you are
But
if you are don't want to ask any question, just let me know. Yeah, I won't ask.
no, that's all right. But do you think the we should wait for the other person to come around into
No, he
this?
is not going to join today.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, sir, shall we postpone for him?
Hmm. Yeah. So that's why I'm asking you the question. So it will makes you to it helps you to understand in the deeply. So that's why I'm asking you. So what is the
Okay.
operating system? Hmm. So what do you think?
That that manage the software of the computer,
Okay.
software of software of any hardware,
Okay. So simply we can
not
say
essentially a computer.
simply we can say is the interface between user and hardware and software. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nothing but operating system. Nothing but it is simply a mediator. Nothing but a interface between user and hardware or software. Suppose if you want to do something with the computer, like if you want to print something, just you will click on the print, but the printer and everything will be done by operating system. So the operating system will take in the input from user and it will do the operation and it will give the proper output. Okay, that is
Okay.
nothing but the operating system will do. So we have uh, how many operating systems you have now so far? So far we are using Windows operating system, Windows
Mm-hmm.
and Mac operating system,
Mm-hmm.
and next Linux.
Ah.
Unix,
Linux.
Solaris. There are so many operating systems are available. These operating systems
Okay.
are these operating systems are the desktop operating systems. Okay,
Mhm.
desktops and laptops we are using these operating systems. In the same way, when you come to the mobile, so mobiles
Okay.
also some operating systems like Android and iPhone,
Mm-hmm.
next BlackBerry
Okay.
and Windows. These are very popular now. There are some more operating systems also there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Among all, this Android is very popular. Android is so popular. Why?
Okay.
Why it is so popular? So we should know before learning this Android course why it is so popular. Because
Mm-hmm.
Android is a open source,
Okay.
open source software. What do you mean open source? Open source means it is a free software. So anyone can use the software. Anyone can use the software and anyone can customize the software. So this is the open software. Why? Because if you see, if you want to buy the Android phone, there are so many companies which are producing these Android devices. For example, if you take Samsung or LG or Sony.
Excuse me. Can you
Yeah.
move the notepad to the center so that I can see it in full? Because
Okay.
yeah, no, 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 no. There is no problem. It's all right.
Okay. Now is it clear?
Yeah, it is visible.
Yeah. So see, these are the so many companies. They are producing the Android devices. Why? Because this is
Okay.
a open source software. So they are directly copying. Directly they are using without paying any money. So they are producing the devices. There are so many companies. Carbon, Micromax. There are so many companies are there. So that's why it is a very popular in the market. If you
Okay.
if you go with the iPhone, for example, Mac operating system.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to develop the iPhone application, definitely you need to buy the Mac operating system. Okay,
Okay.
so Mac operating system laptop you have to buy. So for that you have to spend at least 60,000. But here for Android, no need to buy anything. You can install the software in Mac OS or Windows operating system or Linux. Anywhere you can download this one. Okay, download and you can develop the applications from any operating
Mm-hmm.
system. Uh, this is the one thing from Android. So Android, so now the latest version is, what is the latest version of Android? You know that?
I think ice cream sandwich. Ice cream sandwich.
Which mobile you are using?
No, I use a iPhone. I think it's Jelly Bean Kit Kat right now.
Now this is a lollipop.
Okay.
Okay, so the first version they are released, the version is alpha version,
Mm-hmm.
beta version. Next one is a cupcake. Next one is a donut.
Okay.
Next one is a eclairs.
Mm-hmm.
Next one is a froyo.
Mm-hmm.
Next one is ice cream sandwich.
Okay.
Next one is a jelly bean. Next one is a Kit Kat. Next one is lollipop. So if you see the first letters of every version, there are A to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So they are following alphabetically. Maybe the next level will be starts with M. We don't know what is the name.
Yeah.
So these are the versions uh, so far available with the Android. So now currently the lollipop version is released few months ago. Okay. So every time when it is releasing the when it is releasing this versions, it comes with the version numbers. The version number is like 5.1.1. This
Okay.
is a version number,
Okay.
and it comes with the API level also. API level. API nothing but application programming interface. Okay.
Okay.
So we have to understand these versions first. So what is the 5.1.1? And
Okay.
for KitKat there is a version 4.2 point something. Okay, these are the versions. So why they are using these numbers? What is the 4? What is the 5? So how they are? So I am giving you some brief introduction about versions.
Okay.
Okay. So version means nothing but after developing some software. So the developers will release one application with the version. Version means nothing but a one ID. So for example, the first time I'm releasing the first application, so I'm giving the version as 1.0. So this is telling that this is the first version. Okay. After releasing this application, okay, and I want to there are some bugs or there are some I want to some modify some changes. So I fix some issues and I'm creating the build again. So the next build will be I'm writing as 2.0. Got it? Here,
Oh yeah.
if you observe, this is 1.0, this is 2.0. So what is the difference between these two means? This 2.0 is having some extra uh, attributes or extra things which are not available in 1.0, which are available in 2.0. Okay,
Okay.
these are the versions we are following. But here, see, we have three numbers, 5.1.1, right? So they are divided into three categories like major, dot, minor, dot, micro. These are the 3 points 511. Okay, this is a major number, this is a minor number, this is a micro number. Suppose if you have done so much, there is a very big difference from 1.2 to 2.0. So then you can change this major number. Okay, but if you fix only a few issues, so you can use a minor. If you are it is very little bit issues, and then you can change it to micro. Okay,
Okay.
you understand? So I will show you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, then you can understand in the simply. It's very simple. Android API levels. Yeah. See here. Are you able to see my screen? Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, are you there? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
See.
Tell me.
Yeah. So see, this is a history of Android versions, the release versions. See here 1.1. The very first version
Okay.
starts with the 1.1 alpha version and
Okay.
1.2. 1. See here, he didn't change the 1, he changed the 2. Means there is a
Okay.
minor change. Okay.
Okay.
So next version is the second version. The API level is 1.
Okay.
2.1, 2.2, 2.3. So these are the versions. The finally we have the version 5.1.1. This is the latest version, which is released in
Okay.
April 21st, 2015. The
Okay.
latest version is 5.1.1. Before that
Okay.
there was a version 5.1, and they added some, maybe there are some minor changes, so micro changes, so they added something, so they are again they build it. The release version is 5.1.1. Okay, this is a versioning.
Okay.
Okay, so this is Android, this is a version. So next step, so why uh, Android is so popular? Because it is open source, so anyone can use, right? So before that, Android comes into the smartphone. Android is a smartphone. What do you mean by smartphone?
A phone that does things other than calling and texting.
Yeah, it is smart is nothing but clever, nothing but it is a very fast, intelligent. So nothing but we are using internet network. So that is nothing but a smartphone. In earlier we don't have smartphones. We have the only text-based phones. So we non there is no internet facilities and there is no applications. So
Mm-hmm.
Android is like a smartphone, nothing but it is provides you application. For example, if you want to transfer the money, then no need to go to the website, just you can download the, you can install the any bank application and you can log in and you can transfer the money. Okay, so
Okay.
it makes you very smart to send the money like that. Suppose if you want to go from one place to another place, if you don't know the route, so you can see the route by using the mobile Google Maps. The Maps is one of the application. So these are the applications, Google application. These are applications are available in Google Play Store.
Okay.
So when after developing the applications, after developing the developer will place the applications in the Google Play Store. So it will be shown to everyone. So anyone can download the applications. There are two types of applications in the Google Play Store. One is a free version, one is a paid version. Okay,
Okay.
the free versions without money you can install directly. Paid version you have to pay. Okay, there
Okay.
are two things. So here again it comes. So what is the file extension of Android files? The file extension is nothing but APK. The file extension of
Mm-hmm.
Android file is APK. This is nothing but Android packaging kit. So what do you mean by extension?
Okay.
Extension files. First we know what is extensions. So extensions are used to identify the file type. For example, I am giving the extension as HTML. .html. It tells that this file is HTML file, right?
Okay.
Suppose I am giving like this. This is, what is this? Are you there? Hello, hello, hello.
Hello. Can you hear
Yeah,
me? Hello.
yeah. Are you there? Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah. Tell me.
yeah. You're following.
Yeah. That.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. That's JPG.
Mm,
That's for images.
this for images. Yes, right. This is for this is for MP3 for audio, MP4 for
Yeah.
video. Yeah.
And before for video.
So this is, what is this exe
Uh, e- Execution.
execution file? This is for Windows operating system. So if you want to
Yeah.
install any software, any application software into the this Windows operating system, this you have to use .exe files only. It will be installed. Otherwise, there is the APK file won't be installed in the Windows operating system. So Windows operating system understands only .exe files. Okay. In the same way,
Okay.
.dmg files for Mac OS, digital image files, right? And the
Okay.
same way .apk. .apk is suitable for Android operating system. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The same way iPhone IPA, iPhone application. Okay.
Okay.
By seeing this extension, we understood that what is the file type. The final output will comes
Okay.
like .apk file after developing the application. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. These are the things, the basic things. So you need. So what should you know before developing the 100 applications? So what are the prerequisites? What should you
Mm-hmm.
know? You should know a little bit knowledge of Java, the core Java, not only advanced,
Okay.
not advanced Java, only core Java concepts. Most
Okay.
of the, if you should know OOPS concepts, OOPS,
Okay.
and you should know how to use Eclipse. It is very simple. Eclipse is
Okay.
a IDE. This is a third
Yeah, yeah,
party.
I know about
Yeah,
Eclipse.
Eclipse, and you should know you next you have to add Android,
Mm-hmm.
next Android software. These three things you need
Okay.
to develop the Android. So
Okay.
the first thing is they are asking us to use the Java. So
Mm-hmm.
why Java?
Mm-hmm.
So actually, what is the benefits of the Java and why they have chosen?
Okay.
So Java is a platform independent. Okay, Java is
Okay.
a platform independent language, and
Okay.
it can be run on any system. Suppose if you writing the code
Okay.
on one system, and if you want to execute some other system, so you can run by using the JVM. So that's why they have chosen the Java. And Eclipse is a third party
Okay.
application. So Eclipse
Okay.
is comes with the, you have to if you want to run the Eclipse, you should need to install this Java. So you know, right, how to install the
Okay.
Java and all those things.
Okay.
Yeah. So how can you create this Java? How can you create this first file? How can you execute the simple hello world example?
Mm-hmm.
So first you create the Java file. For example, I'm taking
Okay.
a dot Java. Okay. In this file, I'm writing some code. Suppose I'm writing some code. So I need to compile, right?
Okay.
What do you mean by compiler? Do you know anything about compiler?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is the
Just
compiler?
it compiles the code into machine level language.
Yeah. We have three levels of languages. One is a high level language. Second is a middle level language. Third is a
Okay.
low level language or
Okay.
binary language.
Okay.
So Java comes to this high level language. Okay. So
Okay.
the system doesn't understand high level language. System understands only zeros, zeros and ones. Right? System Finally the system understands only the two things, the two values, that is nothing but zero and one. That's why we are calling it as binary language. Okay,
Okay.
binary nothing but two values. So we are writing the code in high level language. The Java is a high level language, but the system doesn't understand this high level language. So you need to convert into the
Okay.
binary language. So how you convert? So don't worry, we are not doing anything to convert. Just we are using compiler. Compiler is nothing but one of the software.
Okay.
It is taking the
Okay.
responsibility to convert high level language to low level language. So compiler will converts high to low.
Okay.
So yeah, it is converted high to low, but we are not understanding low level language because we understand only high level language. So the
Okay.
output, again the output should be in high level language. So again there is a one decompiler inside that. It is converted to low to
Okay.
high. Again
Okay.
you will see the response in high level language. You got it?
Okay.
So this is the process is going when you compiling the java dot a dot java class.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So after compilation, it will create one file. The file name is a dot class file.
Okay.
This is nothing but byte code.
Okay.
So byte code means this is a dot class file is a byte code. This code
Okay.
is understands by this code will be executed by JVM. JVM nothing but
Okay.
Java Virtual Machine. Got it? So
Okay.
after compiling, you will get this file, dot class file. This file will be executed by this Java virtual machine. For example, suppose I am giving you the dot class file instead of giving this a dot Java file. I am giving you just
Okay.
simply a dot class file. You no need to compile again. Just you can run by using this JVM.
Okay.
That's why the Java is very popular. So if you have JVM, you can run the dot class files.
Okay.
Got it? That's why they have chosen this Java. And Eclipse is a third-party IDE. It is very easy to use. It is user friendly. And anyway, you
Okay.
have to use Android software. This is a one
Mm-hmm.
way. This is a one way of developing. There is a one more way. You can directly use Android Studio.
Okay.
There is no need to download Eclipse separately. No need to download Android separately. Just if you
Okay.
download Android Studio, it gives you all the things whatever you want to develop the application. This is the second way.
Okay.
But this is developed by Google people. This Android Studio,
Oh,
but this is not that much look and feel that much not user friendly compared to the Eclipse. Eclipse is very easy. If you want to learn in the both way, I will tell you, but first of all we will go with the Eclipse. If you are
sure.
okay with the Eclipse, then we will move to Android Studio. But Android Studio is
We'll
like something, yeah, it's a zigzag type of some confusing things are
we'll go
there.
with Eclipse.
Yeah, we will go with Eclipse first. If you are okay with Eclipse, after some days we will start the Android Studio also. Okay.
Okay.
So far, you have any doubts?
No.
So these are the three things. So you can do at your side like learn the core Java concepts. So because everything is depend on Java only, you should know everything. What is how to create the class, how to create the methods, how to create the objects, so how to write the code, everything. Okay. If you know, just
Okay.
we will. It is very easy for you, and even for me also it is very easy because you can understand within just like that. So if you know the
Okay.
Java, so that is why the Java is very important. If you know that, you can understand the under. It is very easy, no problem. I will tell you one point by point. If you have any doubt, any single doubt, just let me know. I will explain. No problem. Okay. Mm. If you have any doubt so far, just ask me. If you are not
No,
understand,
I
just
don't have it.
if you are not understand anything, just let me know. I will repeat it again.
Sure.
Okay. So simply this is the background of Android. So
Okay.
what are the versions are available? What are the levels are available? What is the versions? What do you mean by
Okay.
APK? What do you need? So why popular? So what is a compiler and all those things? Okay. If you are okay with them, okay with my coaching, just let them let them to know, and if it is okay, then we will continue from tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
So far it is okay, or
Sure.
you want to more anything you want to know?
No, it is okay.
It is okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Bye.